A Payne County judge denied a request from the victims who claim their rights were violated in the Jesse Butler case. 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch was in Stillwater for the 3-day evidentiary hearing last week. Today, she's breaking down the judge's opinion.
In this written opinion, Payne County Judge Michael Cooling says even though communication wasn't perfect, the state did not violate the victims' rights in the Jesse Butler case. The victims brought a legal challenge, arguing they were not properly informed of the plea deal or given a chance to be heard before it was finalized. During a 3-day evidentiary hearing, the court heard hours of testimony, including Assistant District Attorney Deborah Vincent, who described months of meetings with the families to explain the strengths and weaknesses of the case. Some protesters we spoke with in November believe this case reflects a larger pattern of poor communication from the DA's office.
I filed my case here when I was 17 and she wouldn't even file my charges. And I see that it's become a pattern and enough is enough, and it's time for us to come together and say something.
The victim, her mother, and others involved in this case say they were left out of key decisions and only learned about the no contest plea minutes before walking into court. On the stand, victims testified they were given the opportunity to give their victim impact statements but were too shocked to speak. Prosecutors maintain families were notified of the plea deal days in advance, and both victims' mothers gave victim impact statements after the deal was made. Protesters say the lack of communication from the DA's office is a common issue.
It's a history, it's a pattern with them. It needs to stop. People need to say something.
It's empowerment, we're not going to be silenced. We're not going to be to lay down and accept it. And
Judge Cooling writes the move-ins failed to establish that their rights were violated based on the evidence under Article 2, Section 34 of the Oklahoma Constitution. The ruling focuses whether the law was followed, not necessarily whether the process felt fair to the victims. In the end, the court sided with the state, keeping the plea deal in place. But supporters of the victims say they plan to keep speaking out.
We're done. We're done not saying anything. We're done allowing rapists to walk free.
I reached out to the district attorney's office and the attorneys for the victims for a comment, but have not heard back. Emma Birch, 2 News Oklahoma.